What's up guys, welcome back to the brand new video, hope you're doing alright, and today, as you can tell by the title, we're gonna be watching our beloved Instant Karma doing some very satisfying work. So with that being said, let's dive into today's episode. Actually no, first I have to thank you for the amazing support, especially in the last video. You guys are amazing, thank you. Now let's see what the hell is going on. Power! Oh, that guy's hauling ass. Is that a Harley? Looks like one to me.
Split him up.
Your dancing career is over, boy. Oh, a Mustang, that's always a good sign. He obviously watched the Top Gear. He knows how to impress teenage girls.
Take your time.
And now he's like, sorry officer, my foot slipped. What would be your excuse? Let's see here. That's a nice dodge, by the way. And it looks like the 5-0 has entered the chat. Come on, speed! And away we go. Oh. They always do this when they lose a race. They're so freaking jealous. Oh my god. I thought for a minute that was the Popo too. But it's not. But that would be hilarious. Oh hell no, I hate this. I hate this type of behavior, man, what the heck. I mean, this is not too bad, but it's still a no-no. When I see someone patiently waiting, then I'm happy to stop and let him in, but if not, nope, I'm closing the gap in a blink of an eye. Alright, let's see here. Oh, hello there, 5-0. Everybody stay calm, stay freaking calm. Oh, blue car. That's a genius move. Give him a little push. And the cop is like, hey yo, what the hell is that? Are you testing me, boy? Are you? He saved all the others. On to the next one. Hey yo, what the hell is this guy doing? Where are you going, bro? Oh! Straight into police officer's hands. This one is not too bright, is he? And as you can see, the police officers are in a big hurry. Yeah, just take your time. He won't run away, he'll wait. Definitely. And this guy here is like, ha! No one is paying attention to me. I'm almost at the border. Almost in Mexico. Freedom, here I am. Oh, what was that? Oh crap, I've been spotted. You'll never catch me alive, coppers. Damn. I don't know what the hell is that guy trying to do. But whatever it is, he failed. Beep, 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 beep. Oh, you absolute clown. And we all know what's next. He or she will just leave. Or at least try to, because karma never sleeps. Oh! You're done. I'm reaching out to you for your car extended warranty. Oh, look at this mofo. What the hell did you come here for, huh, fool? Anyways, let's see here. Oh, that's a straight red in front of a cop. Genius move like always. Always make sure there are some cops around when you're doing something stupid. If no one sees it, it didn't happen. Come on now, don't be shy. Overtake the cop. Come on. Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead. I won't pull you over. Go ahead. Just kidding. Your ass is getting pulled over right now.
You thought
That laugh. Nice. It was pure evil and I love it. Let's see, what do we have here? How the driver getting carried away a little bit. Looks like. Oh, there goes that laugh again. It's amazing. Oh, some say he He's still laughing. Damn. Whoa, that was close. And that was extremely stupid. Whoa, 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 whoa. What the heck is going on here? Is everybody here on drugs or what? What the hell was that all about? 2 hours later. The Popo finally shows up. But I don't think they can pull all of them over. What the hell was that? Ooh. Oh, they're not after him. They're chasing another car. I thought for a minute he's the main suspect here, but apparently not. Go, go! Well, today, Captain Slow Motion. Oh, there we go. We are up to speed now. Whoa! Actually, they were chasing him. What the heck? Why the hell did a guy in a grey car knock his mirror off? What the heck? I'm confused, but we're gonna move on. That's the best thing to do here. You're too fast, mate. You are too fast. Even the Mustang is behaving. Ladies and gentlemen, we got him. Whoa! That was so unnecessary. What? Man, why? Stop it. Get some help. Oh, hello there. I'm not the only one who thinks that's too much. Come on, pull him over. Get him! Get him! Yes! Gotcha. And the minivan of doom appears out of nowhere, straight through the stop sign from that school bus. I wonder how much the ticket's gonna be. But yeah, moving on. Let's see here. A little bit of a tailgating action. And he's pulling all of that on a police car. Damn, bro. You're either stupid or brave. Oh no, he cut him off as well. Damn. This guy really wants to get arrested. Like, really, really. But anyways, it's time to wrap up this video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And yeah, please hit that like button and subscribe if you're keen to see more of this, of course. And leave a comment as well. Don't forget to do that. And yeah, that's it for today. Thank you very much for the support. Stay awesome. Don't forget to power every day. And I will see you in the next one. Take care. Ciao, ciao.